pressed it.
In animal court, tortoise accused monkey of stealing, but tortoise lies 2 out of 3 times. So the judge asked him 2 common questions. If the tortoise speaks truthfully for either one of them, the judge will know monkey is innocent.
So every 3 statements the tortoise says, only one is true.
Quite an honest liar.
The first thing he said was, the monkey is a thief.
Including his 2 answers to the judge's questions. He spoke 3 times.
So, if he answered truthfully for any one of the 2 questions, his claim of monkey being a thief is a lie.
That means we need to check if one of the answers is correct. The result will be true even if one condition is false.
Relax, Theo. We have the OR operator for that.
Yeah,
Perfect! So, the conditions should be either answer 1 equals to true or answer 2 equals to true. Please work.
Phew! How was it?
Scary and adventurous and crazy.